So many pieces all back together now. What's your vision?
Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech with Arif. Today I am going to show you the penalty challenge between Ronaldo and Messi in DLS19. So let's get started. First we are taking Lionel Messi's penalties. See here, the boat is taking the penalty. It's a goal. And now our player, the Messi is taking penalties perfectly. We need to take the penalties of both players, so we can understand who is best in DLS19. Lionel Messi, both players in computer player of Lionel Messi in DLS19 is we can check Lionel Messi's skills. Is Lionel Messi or Ronaldo better by the skills and penalty shoots of computer Messi? Here he scored 3 goals and missed 1. He still he misses 2 goals. Now we need to check Cristiano Ronaldo's. Computer player is very well taking very well penalties, good penalties. Very perfectly taken, and he has more powerful shots during penalties. He's taking powerful shots during penalties. His style of taking penalty is better than Cristiano Ronaldo's. Lionel Messi's. He's missed 1 goal. Cristiano Ronaldo missed 1 goal. Computer player missed 1 goal, and its power of taking penalty is very much larger. They missed 2 now. Let's check if he scores. Ronaldo. So he also scores. I think Cristiano Ronaldo is more better than Lionel Messi.